Welcome to the shop. I'm Jesse, and in this video we're going to make a bench. Now, there's a whole history to this style of leg. You've probably seen it in a Windsor chair. And at the end of this video, I'm going to talk to you about the history of this joint in particular. So, let's get So back in the day, the early settlers would need furniture, but they didn't have a shop. So what they would do is some of the villagers would go into the woods for a couple of weeks and they'd mill down a tree. And then what they would do is some guys would be making the seat itself. They would drill with an auger into that seat. And you can think of a drill as a really simple type of joinery. You imagine if it was a square or a rectangle, you'd need a lot more precision and more tools. They'd prepare the seats, and then another guy would create a pole lathe. And a pole lathe is basically a tree branch, a small tree that's been bent over, and you use the tension from that tree, the spring of the tree, combined with a foot pedal to rotate the wood, to spin the wood. They would turn the legs and then fit them into the seat. Then they would wedge them in place, nice and tight, and when they brought the furniture back to their homes to sit by the fire, everything would shrink and the seat would trap those dowels in place, so they were locked really tight. And that was extremely important because glues back then, it was mostly hide glue, which isn't as strong as the glues we have today. So that's a little history. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.